Be the envy of your friends in this 2007 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle.
Get there fast, it's power-packed.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included.
Contact us to get behind the wheel today.